It's chow time. Let's make some soy garlic wings. First, you're just gonna put some ginger, mirin, salt, pepper, mix, and let's refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now let's make our sauce. You need some jalapeno, garlic, soy sauce, and honey. And mix. Now let's take the chicken wings out of the fridge. Massage. Put it on an air fryer basket. Make sure they don't touch each other. They have enough space. Let's broil it or air fry it for 10 minutes each side. Don't forget to flip them up. Let's make the sauce. Let's put everything together. So we need to put the jalapeno and garlic on to the soy sauce marinade that we did. Let's put some wings. And that's it. We're just gonna plate it all up and let's see how the boyfriend likes it. I'm not too confident on this, but let's see. Honey garlic chicken wings.
I gotta admit, babe, it looks a little dark. Alright, let's check it out.
Can you dip in sauce?
Dip in sauce? Okay. Let's get the bottom one.
Not too confident.
It's good, but it's meh compared to everything else you've made so far, yeah.
It's good, but it's meh.
Yeah. It tastes good, but nothing special. But,
Nothing special.
But it's good, I like it though.
I'm trying to recreate the BBQ chicken with.
Well, the BBQ chicken, they still use a little bit of flour, I believe. And remember, they deep fry.
True.
That's a big
that
difference.
Will take the
No.
will add flavors in the thing.
Yeah, they deep fry and then you just toss it in the sauce.
Next time.